Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add TXT in Wix 2026. To get started, log into your Wix account and open your site dashboard. This is the main control center for your website where you can manage settings, tools, and integrations. Adding TXT files in Wix is useful when you need to connect certain advertising and verification services with your website. One common example is ads.txt, which helps identify authorized sellers for your website's advertising inventory and can improve trust between your site and advertising platforms. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains many of the behind-the-scenes options for your site, so if you don't see everything right away, just take your time and scroll as needed. The Settings area is where Wix keeps many important website management features. These options usually control things that visitors don't directly see but are important for integrations, tracking, security, and external services. After opening Settings, scroll down until you find Marketing Integrations. Go ahead and click there. This area is where Wix lets you connect external tools and services that support your website's marketing and advertising setup. Marketing integrations can help your website communicate with other platforms, making it easier to manage advertising tools, analytics, and other services without needing to manually edit your website code. Once you're inside, look for the TXT option and click Connect. This will open the connection setup and show you the instructions Wix provides for adding it properly. From here, Wix will display how the connection works. The important thing to understand is that before the setup is complete, you first need to create an ads.txt file. This file is used to declare authorized sellers for your site's ad inventory, and it's a common requirement for ad-related integrations. The ads.txt file works as a public record that tells advertising systems which companies are allowed to sell ads on your website. This helps reduce unauthorized sellers and improves transparency within the advertising process. Make sure you follow exactly what Wix shows on the screen, since the format and placement need to be correct for the connection to work properly. When working with TXT files, even a small issue like an incorrect format, missing information, or placing the file in the wrong location can stop the system from detecting it correctly. That's why following the Wix instructions carefully is important. After you create the ads text file, the next step is to add it to your site. Wix will guide you through this part directly in the setup screen, so the easiest approach is simply to follow the instructions shown there. Take a moment to review each part carefully before confirming anything, especially if this is your first time working with ads. If you are setting this up for an advertising platform, it's also a good idea to double-check that the information inside the file matches the requirements provided by the platform you are connecting with. A small formatting mistake can prevent the file from being recognized, so accuracy matters here. Once the file has been added successfully, that's it. Your TXT setup is complete. At that point, the main thing left to do is allow a little time for the changes to take effect, since some updates may not appear instantly. Keep in mind that website changes involving TXT records or files may require some time before external systems recognize the update. So if everything looks correct but the connection is not immediately active, waiting and checking again later is usually the best step. If you're following along and something looks slightly different on your screen, that can happen if Wix updates the layout, but the overall process should still be the same. The exact location of buttons or menus may change slightly over time, but the general workflow remains the same. Access your dashboard, find the integration settings, connect TXT, and complete the setup instructions provided by Wix. Go to your site dashboard, open Settings, scroll to Marketing Integrations, click Connect on TXT, create your ads.txt file, and then add it by following the on-screen steps. And that's how to add TXT in Wix 2026. Once the setup is complete, you can continue managing your website as normal while allowing the connected services to recognize the new TXT configuration. This small setup step can be important for keeping your advertising integrations working correctly and ensuring your website is properly connected with external platforms.